What is speaking on a not for attribution basis? It's similar to speaking on background, only in this case the reporter can use direct quotes from you. They're just not going to use your name. So similar motives to speaking on background in that you want to get an idea out there, but you don't want your name attached. You're afraid of being attacked, vilified, criticized, fired, and yet you still want to communicate a specific idea. You have to, of course, ask the reporter for permission to speak on a not for attribution basis, and you need to get verbal agreement from them that you can speak on a not for attribution basis. Then you can be more free with your ideas, especially attacks, if you feel those are the ideas you're trying to communicate, but you don't want your name attached. So that is what it means to speak on a not for attribution basis.